Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into Genshin Impact. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To log into Genshin Impact, download and open up your Genshin Impact application. Soon after you do that, you'll be asked to enter your email or your username followed by password. Go ahead and type in your email address that is associated with your account and then type in your correct password on the next field. Once you enter your email and password, tap on the login button. If you don't remember your password, click on Forgot Password and follow through the password reset process. After tapping the login button, you'll be able to log into your Genshin Impact account. Pretty easy, isn't it? That is how it can be done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.